Pea Pea is fixing a motorcycle. It's red. Red comes to fix his own car. Pea Pea takes out an Oreo cookie. What is it for? Wait, Red, this cookie is not for eating. Oh, it turns out Pea Pea plans to use the Oreo cookie as a replacement for the car's damaged wheel. Red helps Pea Pea out. This wheel is missing half of it. Pea Pea adds 2 headlights to the front of the car. Thank you so much, Pea Pea. Red is carrying a jar of paint, but he's clumsy and spilled all the paint on his face. Look at Pea Pea! He's cutting the cake box into square pieces. Ta-da! Pea Pea has made a cardboard house. What is he planning to do with this green paint jar? Pea Pea is very satisfied with his achievement. Called Pea Pea and Red to take shelter in his house. He's really kind. Oh, it's Crocodile Dentist with lots of M&M candies in its mouth. Ew, what a terrible smell! It turns out to be the odor coming from the crocodile's teeth. Pea Pea can't stand the smell and has to wear a mask. Pea Pea will use a magnifying glass to check Crocodile's dental condition. Pea Pea sees a group of bacteria. Time to deal with them. Pea Pea brought a fire truck. What is he going to do? First, Pea Pea sprays water into the crocodile's mouth, then helps the crocodile brush its teeth. Now, let's clean up these soap bubbles. The bacteria have all fled. Why did Pea Pea pull out a crocodile's tooth? Oh, it turns out Pea Pea plans to replace the crocodile with a new tooth. Well done, Pea Pea. Here's your reward. Wow, these are two giant vending machines. Pea Pea, please place your order. Pea Pea wants to buy a watermelon. Pea Pea is shocked at the small piece of watermelon he receives. It doesn't look like the advertised image at all. Today, Pea Pea takes the bus to go back to school. Knock, knock. What subject will the first room be? Wow, it's a chemistry lab with lots of test tubes and different chemical solutions. Let's see what Pea Pea will do. Pea Pea takes out two test tubes, one red and one yellow, then mixes them, putting the red one in first and adding the yellow one afterward. Oh no, perhaps Pea Pea's preparation formula has gone wrong somewhere. Pea Pea moves to the second room. It's the math room. John gave Pea Pea a math problem and asked Pea Pea to solve it. Pea Pea must complete this math problem before being allowed to leave. Let's see Pea Pea solve the math problem. It turns out Pea Pea just doodles on the paper. He draws a smiling face and then folds the test paper into an airplane. Pea Pea jumped on the plane and raced towards the door. It's a bit clumsy, but finally he manages to escape the room. Let's see what this third room has. Oh, it's Blue playing basketball, but he misses his throws. Blue, let's wait and see Pea Pea throw the ball. Surprisingly, Pea Pea chooses the square ball. What a pity, Pea Pea also misses the throw. Pea Pea is driving a cargo truck somewhere. Don't litter on the road, Pea Pea. Oh no, Red's truck has flipped over. The truck seems to be damaged somewhere. Red will call for help. Pea Pea has arrived. Pea Pea has a way to get Red's truck back on the road. The truck is too heavy for both of them to lift onto the truck bed. Pea Pea accidentally hooked the rope onto Red. Pea Pea pretends as if he doesn't know anything. They decide to use a lever to put the truck on the truck bed. Perfect! Let's go! very high speed and crashes into a Lego house. The police arrive shortly after. Pea Pea is arrested by the police and put in jail. Wow, this room is truly unique. It has a lot of different colored buttons to press. Pea Pea doesn't hesitate to press the yellow button. It's a rain of M&M candies pours down. Pea Pea throws these candies towards the switch to open the jail cell, but none of them hit it. Pea Pea acts as if he doesn't know anything. Pea Pea continues to try pressing the red button and finds a key. This key doesn't seem to be of any use to Pea Pea. Let's see what happens with the blue button. So many lollipops! Pea Pea uses the lollipop sticks to assemble a long stick. He successfully opens the jail cell. Oh no! An alarm goes off! Oh yeah, Pea Pea is happy that his work has been completed beautifully. Pea Pea sees an ice cream vending machine with emotion labels. Is he hallucinating? Pea Pea is still really clumsy. John chose the ice cream at the angry emotional button. John lets Pea Pea taste the flavor of the ice cream first, wondering how it tastes. This ice cream is too spicy. What should John do to help Pea Pea right now? John quickly selects the grimacing emotion button, producing a delicious-looking yellow ice cream stick. Looks like Pea Pea is better now. Next, he wants to try the ice cream from the heart sticker, John. Okay. John will try the remaining ice cream with the crying expression sticker. Pea Pea and John looked so happy eating ice cream together. The ice creams were delicious.
It's too heavy! Pea Pea was so busy pulling on a piece of watermelon that he didn't realize he was going to be in trouble. Wait, where's Pea Pea's watermelon slide? Luckily, it's still here. But where is this? Oh no! The slide of watermelon is gone. This hole must be a problem. Pea Pea decided to put his hands down to see. So, Red stole Pea-Pea's watermelon slide. What else is he planning? So now, Red can eat the watermelon in peace. Luckily, Pea-Pea came back in time to stop Red. Both of them are determined not to give in to each other. Oh my God! Pea-Pea is fooled again! The only way to prevent Red from escaping is to suck up all these mysterious holes. Pea-Pea is successful!
John was about to enjoy a delicious ice cream cone when Pea-Pea ruined it. Pea-Pea is happy when John is no longer next to the ice cream machine because he can compete to eat the ice creams. Pea-Pea presses all the animal stickers on the ice cream machine. The ice cream flows out looking very delicious. It's fantastic. 4 colorful ice cream cones have been completed. Pea-Pea ate the first blue ice cream cone and then he turned into an elephant. Pea-Pea really enjoys this new form. He used his long trunk to grab the remaining blue ice cream and spray it everywhere. Pea-Pea's action was very unhygienic. Pea-Pea continued to eat the pink ice cream and turned into a hippo. Pea-Pea looks so funny. The yellow ice cream turns Pea-Pea into a giraffe. With his long neck, he could easily eat all the ice cream while sitting. Looks like John is coming back. Pea-Pea has to find a place to hide immediately. John was furious because everything was in a mess. Yet Pea-Pea dared to tease John again.